Hello, today I'm going to be showing you a fully functioning 3D printer in Minecraft. The 3D printer itself is a very large redstone contraption, but when compared to things like the Ilmango 3D printer, it's a lot smaller and actually way simpler, as it doesn't actually have a single slime block or flying machine. It doesn't use any tricks to get to push 16 blocks along. One caveat of this though is that it can only print up to a 12 by 12 shape. Even though it is simpler than the Ilmango design printer, it is still relatively complicated because of this rather complex shulker swapper that allows items to flow through these hoppers and place down shulker boxes, and then a timing device to allow certain drops through the conveyor through this sorting system in order to drop down the sand. And then probably the second most complicated part would be this conveyor belt system. And then finally, surprisingly, the least complex part would probably be the printer head itself, as it really just operates on an observer detecting when a block arrives and then pushes those along. And then once it has placed all these blocks and then pushed out all these rows, it'll get to the end. It'll then detect this here, observe it, and then push it down. And it'll do that for all the rows. The printer is started by pushing this button here. And once you do that, it does it all automatically. You'll start running the shulker swapper and then this conveyor belt. And you can see it pushes along the blocks and then activates water. And the print time is actually fairly long for this, as it does have to place a lot of blocks. So I'm going to go into a time lapse now to show you how long it takes to print. The printer has finished printing, and now that it has placed all the blocks, you do have to go over and then hit the button again to manually shut it off. And then now that it's done printing, you actually do have to manually remove the sand, which can actually be done pretty quickly. I just finished removing all the sand, and the total print time for this house was about 40 minutes, and then it was another 6 minutes to remove all the sand, so 46 minutes to build this isn't actually that bad. I missed some. And you can do more than just houses. You can really print anything that you can fit into a 12 by 12 space and use concrete structures, other houses, garages, really anything, just a solid chunk of sand. Anything you want that can fit into a 12 by 12 space, you can build using the 3D printer. I hope you liked my video of me showing off my Minecraft 3D printer. It took me a while to really design and then build this. And this does work in pretty much any version post-Observer, because I actually originally designed this in 1.12, but only just now got around to making a video of it. I will eventually be making a video on how to design and print things, and in the description of this video, you should see a link to download this world. So if you liked this 3D printer and would like to see me make a video about how to design stuff for it so you can use it to build your own stuff, then make sure to hit that like and subscribe button.